Welcome to Mahajan Soil Science Laboratory, where we explore the science behind healthy soils. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in modern soil science. What if a single ancient material could improve your soil, boost your crops, and help fight climate change, all at the same time? That material is biochar, and it's been used for thousands of years. Biochar is a type of charcoal made specifically for use in soil. It is a stable, carbon-rich material created by burning organic matter like wood, crop waste, or manure in a low-oxygen environment. Unlike regular charcoal, biochar is designed to be added to the ground, where it can last for hundreds or even thousands of years. The process is called pyrolysis, heating organic material at high temperatures, between 300 and 700 degrees Celsius, without oxygen. This prevents it from burning completely, leaving behind a rich, black carbon structure. You can make biochar from almost any biomass: wood chips, rice husks, corn cobs, animal manure, or even sewage sludge. Small-scale farmers can use simple kilns, while larger operations use industrial pyrolysis units that also capture the heat energy produced. Why add it to soil? Biochar's porous structure acts like a sponge. It holds water and nutrients, so plants have more access to both. It improves soil aeration and creates a home for beneficial microbes, which keep the soil ecosystem healthy. For farmers, this means better crop yields, especially in poor or sandy soils. Studies show biochar can increase yields by 10 to 15% on average, and much more in degraded soils. And for the environment, biochar is a powerful tool. During pyrolysis, the carbon from plants, which was pulled from the atmosphere, gets locked into a stable form that doesn't decompose. This means biochar removes carbon dioxide from the carbon cycle, acting as a form of carbon capture. It also reduces soil emissions of methane and nitrous oxide, two potent greenhouse gases. Biochar is not a new idea. Indigenous farmers in the Amazon used it thousands of years ago to create some of the world's most fertile soils, known as terra preta. Today, with modern challenges like soil degradation and climate change, biochar is making a comeback. A simple material, a powerful future. Biochar, better soil, better yields, better planet. And thank you for watching us.